Good day, everyone. I am Rochelle Swan, and we are now going to tackle about affective variables. So, what is affective variables in learning? So, affective variables are likely referred to a non-cognitive factors such as the emotions, attitudes, and values that students bring to the learning process. While cognitive variables deal with how students think, affective variables in the other side deals how they feel and their willingness to engage. And in the education field, the most common variables for affective assessment are the following: attitudes, values and beliefs, interest, motivation, and self-confidence. So first, let's talk about attitude. So attitude, this is most likely talk about affective factor in students' learning. It's because this means we are referring to a person's reaction, whether negative or positive, favorable or unfavorable towards an object, activity, person, or environment. And also, it is important to note that attitude cannot be taken as solely effective because it also has a cognitive component where the learner has the content knowledge that defines the worth of value of the object or situation, which means the effective component of the attitude is the emotional part, the liking or disliking of the students. And the role of cognitive component here is the fuel of the foundation. And this component consists of the beliefs, the thoughts, and knowledge of a student hold about the subject or topic. As an educator, they must address the um, component, cognitive component, because feelings are often the result of thoughts. And if a teacher only tries to change the effect or by making the class fun, the effects may be temporary. And to create a lasting positive attitude, the teacher must also change the cognition, providing the student with the knowledge, um, the evidence of their own success, and the understanding of the subject's value so they can rethink their stance.